What's up guys, I am back with another video. In today's video I will be teaching you guys how to make this white turtleneck. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I made this turtleneck, stay tuned. First we begin with your basic patterns. You want to start with your basic male bodice pattern and your basic sleeve pattern. I am still kind of adjusting these patterns, so that's probably why I haven't that is why I haven't done a basic patterns video yet, because I'm still kind of working with them. Towards the end of the video you will kind of see that for my male shirt pattern, which is this the white and the orange one, my arm hold is a little too big, so I'm still kind of adjusting and playing around with my patterns. So with time I will definitely do the basic patterns video. I'm just still kind of adjusting and working with them and seeing what works best. First, you want to start off by measuring right at about 3 inches above your shirt pattern. This is the part that will be your actual turtleneck. Now on this video, I measured out about 6 inches just because I wanted my turtleneck to be a little bit more dramatic, but you can kind of adjust it based off your liking. Now it's a little bit hard to see because my pattern is white, but you'll cut out your shirt pattern as normal. So you want to cut it out just like a basic shirt. The only difference will be you add those inches at the top to create your turtleneck. Next, you just want to cut out your basic sleeve. As I said, my pattern is white, so it's kind of hard to see, but I just cut out my sleeve with my regular sleeve pattern. Now you want to go ahead and pin everything right sides to right sides and sew everything as normal as you would normally sew a shirt.
Perfect.
I had to go in and make some slight adjustments. The turtleneck was slightly too big, and I also had to make my armholes a little smaller to fit my sleeve. Like I said, that's why I haven't done a basic patterns video yet, because I'm still working on my patterns, I'm still adjusting them. So yeah. So this is the final product. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned.